classification, this decision tree classification algorithm implementation in Python. I'm using the Spider IDE, where in the Python course folder, I just make a classification tree folder, and there I make a classification tree Python file, and in this Python file, where we are going to do our coding session for for implementation of decision tree classification algorithm in machine learning. So first of all, I'm importing the basic libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib as NP, PD, and PLT respectively. Now I'm loading the wine dataset, where I'm saying the quality of wine, and let me get the x and feature data x and the target variable y. Here we have some classes for this wine, and we have to predict which wine is it. So I just import the feature matrix and the target vector. Now let me import the printf split function for dividing our data set into train set and test set. And now we get training set and testing set. And here I am normalizing our data, training data and testing data. And here I import the decision tree classifier class, and I make an object of it with the maximum depth 10. And here I fit my model for the training dataset. Now for the training dataset, I fit my model. Now let's see the accuracy on the training dataset, accuracy on test dataset, and the accuracy on the whole dataset. So that's the accuracy, and as you can see, we get accuracy less on the testing dataset because we get overfit on our training dataset. So now let's do some prediction on the test dataset, and let's see some how this test is looks like. Let's see some precision of it, recalls, F1 score, and classification report and confusion matrix. To see the confusion matrix, here I print the confusion matrix for this wine classification. This is the score, precision, recall, F1 score, classification report on the test data sets. And now let me create this classification, decision tree classification. This is a tree for this is our tree for 10, for the depth 10. And let me plot this in a beautiful way. Yeah, this is our decision tree, and it is also get saved in the directory. So if you want to see this in future, then by using this plt.savefig function, I just saved my file in the name of image name, in the name of this image name .png in the classification tree folder subfolder. So that's all about the today's session, where we're going to talk about the classification tree and its implementation. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.